Yes, my people, Big Prozech back again with another video. Welcome. You are welcome. You already know what we do here. We talk all things sneakers, kicks and crepes, and today is no different. And in fact, I've actually got something really special for you guys today. We're looking at the Nike Air Max 1 in the LV8 pack, and we're looking at all three colorways. Yes, my guy, we managed to cop all three. So we're gonna get into the fit, we're gonna get into unboxing, we're gonna get into how they look on feet, how we managed to cop all of that good stuff. And if that sounds like something you'd like to watch, like the video, no long thing, share, comment, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Now, the Air Max 1, the classic Air Max 1, first released in 1987, a whole 3 years after Big Man was born. And I remember it like it was yesterday. No, I don't remember nothing about it, but I love this silhouette. This is an amazing silhouette to me, and I think, in my opinion, it's one of Nike's classics. It's one of their cornerstones, one of their legacy shoes, so to speak. Now, this particular pack, the LV8 pack, actually dropped in January 2021. It came in 3 colorways, and we're gonna get into all of that good stuff. It takes a lot of its design cues from the original OG pair that came out in 1987, with the addition of a little mini swoosh. And you all know we love a mini swoosh. Gotta love a mini swoosh. I managed to pick all 3 pairs from Foot Shop, and their shop is actually based in Prague, but I did their online raffle and I managed to cop all 3 pairs. That's my first cop of 2021, so yeah, starting the year off right. Retail is 129, so the price of the shoes, retail is 129.95. On the secondary market currently, you're probably looking closer to 150, 140, 150. So very not great for the resale, but good if you're trying to get a personal pair, because these shoes, yeah, they're pretty good looking. This is the dark teal green, and we've got that Martian Sunrise. What are we saying? What are we saying? Just using the Obsidian pair as sort of our go-to pair. Off the bat, material wise, it's a full leather upper, so, and when you touch it, it's like very soft to the touch, like very like high premium leather. You can tell, like really buttery, like you can like, oh, like it is so good. Like there's like an almost like a dimpling on the white leather here. You can tell that the white leather is slightly softer to the touch. The mud guard that goes all the way from the inside of the shoe round the side, and there you have it, the amazing mini swoosh there on the mud guard that stretches all the way to the back of the shoe, and you've got the old school Nike Air logo just on the back there. Really good example. Obviously you've got the wolf grey, which sort of takes up the majority of the upper, with the Obsidian Nike tick there on both sides. It comes laced up, so if you are in a rush, like the shoe comes ready to go. Like midsole is obviously a Nike Air Max midsole with an air bubble as well, so great cushioning in the midsole. And yeah, you got a standard rubber outsole for this particular shoe. Before I forget, really cool piece on this, and I'll show you on this so it's really clear for you to see, like a nice detail that they sort of merged the color, so they kept the color going on some of the outsole. So the top bit of the outsole, as you can see, stays true to the color before it sort of goes into the regular outsole there, which I thought was really cool as well. So now that we've seen how they look in hand, let's get to the most important thing. Let's find out how they look on feet. Let's get to it. So I am an actual size 12, a UK size 12, and I would suggest that these come true to size, so definitely go with your regular size. But the shoe is a very comfortable shoe, has an amazing amount of cushioning around the heel here, and it is really soft inside, they've used really nice material, so it's really soft inside. The leather is really sort of quite pliable and soft to touch. The Air Max air bubble just sitting underneath, giving you a little bit more cushioning and a little bit more bounce. Not talking boost or react levels, but we are talking about a fairly comfortable shoe that you're not going to have any issues getting in and out of. Switching gears to the look and to the design, and I've kind of alluded to it already, like this is a super classic shoe. I love how this shoe fits, and I love how this shoe drips. I love it. Like, this shoe is so cool to me. I think, in my opinion, one of the most slept on silhouettes out there. I feel like it should get so much more love than it gets. The Air Max 1 is, like, in my opinion, like in the top 5 silhouettes ever. Like, definitely top 5 Nike silhouettes. Like, honestly, it's an amazing shoe, and I think just overall this is a classic silhouette. In 3, I should say, I've been holding on to the one, but yeah, it's in 3 amazing colorways. The LV8 pack is a smash. Like, it's not super expensive compared to other shoes in the market. It's a classic silhouette done in a classic way with a slight modern twist. I couldn't recommend it any higher. It's an amazing shoe. Quick question, which one are you feeling? Which one are we feeling? Are we feeling the Martian? The Martian there, kind of like a little burnt orange? Are we feeling the dark teal? Or is it the obsidian that gets your vote? Let me know in the comments below what you're saying. Overall, I think for myself, I like all 3. It's very tough for me. I'm probably veering towards the obsidian because I know I could rock it hard. I love navy blue, so I could rock this hard. They're absolutely drippy. You could drop them hard. They're gonna look hot, and I think they're a super slept on silhouette. I think people need to put a bit more respect on the Air Max 1's name. Now I've told you what I think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember, if you like the video, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Socials are Prozech on Instagram and Twitter. Guys, I cannot thank you enough. 2021 has popped off and it has been great. I've got some amazing plans. I'm just working in the background. Obviously, it's just me, so just bear with me. But all those that have supported on social media, all those that are subscribing, I thank you so much. Got some big stuff in store for this year. Some more interviews, getting some more people on the channel instead of just looking at this mug for the whole time. So yeah, hopefully that will be on and popping by February, and yeah, I look forward to bringing you some more content. If you've got any questions, any ideas, like I said, feel free to shout at me on Instagram, Twitter, or on YouTube. Just jump in the comments and I'll always endeavor to get back. And with all that being said, it's been your boy Prozech. Until I see you, man, down the road, stay blessed.